When creating a visualization from existing content, the information mode allows developers to determine where to find the content item displayed in a container and which parameters, if any, this content item accepts. This is useful to determine which filters will affect which items, and where to access those items if you wish to edit them. To enable the information mode, click the Info button on the TIBCO WebFocus Designer toolbar. Notice that the view of all content items on the canvas changes to display their paths in the repository and parameters configured for those items. If the panel is too small to display the path information, you can hover over the path value or temporarily maximize the panel to see the information more clearly.
To learn more, search for TIBCO Web Focus at docs.tibco.com.